Hi there, students. Adventitious, an adjective, and I guess adventitiously, the adverb. Okay, the simple meaning of adventitious, meaning something that's not expected, that's not planned. So, adventitious rain ruined our picnic. An adventitious situation, something that you just weren't planning for. But really, adventitious goes deeper than that. Yeah, adventitious is something that happens by chance, but caused by an external event, an external factor. It's not part of the system. The color of paint that I used is adventitious because it's the only one that was available in the shop. So it wasn't planned. Yeah. Adventitious circumstances could contribute to your success. Some external thing happens which means you are lucky or unlucky. Yeah. Okay, so if something's adventitious, you didn't mean it to happen. Yeah. It came as a result of an external factor or chance. So you know when maybe you're playing pool or snooker and you hit the balls really hard and they bounce everywhere. And then adventitiously, the one you're looking want to go down, it bounds and bounds, and then it suddenly goes in a hole. Yeah, it's completely unplanned. It's unpremeditated. Yeah, it's purely accidental or unintended. Yeah, you intended to do something else, but it could have adventitious results. Okay, adventitious, coming from outside, not native. So, adventitious plants that invade our ecosystem. So, adventitious, coming from another source, something that's not innate. So very often adventitious influences lead to development of a society. Yeah, you see a discovery that comes in from outside. Yeah, it's not native, it's not innate, it's not part of your the things that you naturally do. Okay, so adventitious. Yeah, something added, something that appears, but externally. Okay. So adventitious. It's accidental, not part of the system. So adventitious events made the party much better. Yeah. So unforeseen circumstances, if you like, spontaneous or sporadic. Extrinsic, from an external source, something that is not inherent, that does not belong to the system in itself. Okay. So adventitious events, these are things that you didn't plan for. Normally adventitious is something good, but it's not internal, it's external. Okay, so adventitious. This is quite a formal word. I think I'd probably give this a 6.5, maybe even a 7 in formality. Yeah, and then as to origin, it comes from advenio, add to, and venio, to arrive, advenio, to arrive, to come to. Yeah, so it's something that comes to a situation. It's not something that comes out of the situation, it's something that comes to it. Yeah, and that's the idea. It appears out of nowhere. Yeah, it's not what you were expecting. Okay, so the postman provided some adventitious ideas for our celebration. Yeah, He's not coming and he wasn't invited. Yeah, but he just said, why don't you do this? It's coming from outside. It's external, accidental and additional. Yeah, appearing casually. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Adventitious.